Hello, everybody. Today we're going to talk about debates or persuasive essays. They are the same thing. The kids who groan and moan when you say, we're going to write a persuasive essay, are the ones that jump for joy that when you tell them, we're going to have a debate. Well, the very first step in a debate or a persuasive essay is writing that thesis statement or the resolution. So if we're talking essay, we're looking at the words thesis statement. If you're saying debate, you're looking for the word resolution. It's the same thing. It is the very first sentence and the most important part of your entire essay. Now there are three kinds. There's a comparative, an absolute, and a superlative. Two of them you will use most of the time, and those are comparative and absolute. A comparative essay is where you're trying to prove one thing is preferable to the other. An absolute is when you're upholding a principle and proving that what you're saying is true. The third kind of thesis statement or resolution is superlative. This is the most rare because it is the broadest and the hardest to defend. You're saying that this one thing is better than all other things. Let's take a look at them a little more closely. A comparative resolution. Fruit drinks are healthier than carbonated drinks. Again, there's that scale. Fruit drinks are carbonated drinks. Cats are better pets than dogs. Women make better caregivers for children than men. Take a look at that. You do not see the words, I think, or any type of emotion. These are written as a statement of fact because your job is to prove them as such. An absolute resolution, an absolute thesis statement. These aren't comparing. This is you're proving a point. United States senators and state representatives should have term limits. Again, it's not I think, it is they should. Synthetic chemicals should be banned as food additives in the United States. A third example, requiring school uniforms lowers the amount of behavioral incidences in schools. All three statements are absolute. The third kind of thesis statement, or resolution. All pets should be spayed or neutered before being adopted. Superlative. It's saying all pets. Superlative again, you'll see the scope is huge. It is never legal for the U.S. government to restrict freedom of speech. And the third, CrossFit is the best exercise for sports training. I'm sure many of you were listening to those three and going, hold on a minute, it's not better for this, or what about that? That's why superlative is the hardest of all of the resolutions or types of thesis statements to prove. So I highly suggest you don't take a superlative example when you write your own essay or thesis statement. So what are the parts of the resolution or that thesis statement? In my next video, we're going to dissect those thesis statements and rewrite them to make them tighter, because this is the most important part of your essay. You need to write that first sentence so tight and so well worded that no one can prove you wrong. Let's learn how to do that next.